Welcome guys, in front of me I have Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic from Xiaomi, and if you got the problem that you put the both earbuds to the charging case and they are not going to turn off, like in my case, as you can see, they are in the case and they are still connected, right? So all you have to do is just to take it off of the charging case, then tap on these both buttons at the same time and hold it for the 5 seconds until the red color is blinking. Okay, release and do the same for the 5 seconds. As you can see there, it blinks, and right now they are turned off. So right now we can put it back to the charging case. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.